Assalamu alaikum, my dear audience. This is Professor Shoaib Hashmat with a YouTube channel, namely English Innovator. So today I am going to deliver my fourth lecture on present perfect tense. My previous three lectures were on present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, along with their active voice and passive voice. So, in my today's lecture, I will not only teach present perfect tense, but also I will discuss the passive voice construction of present perfect tense as well. I hope that you might have enjoyed and subscribed my previous lectures. If you still not have subscribed my channel or shared it or liked it, so you are all requested to subscribe my channel as early as possible. Thanks for this favor. Now, dear audience, now we start with present perfect tense. My dear audience, I start my lecture on present perfect tense with the various uses of it. So, the very first use of present perfect tense is that it is used to describe complete activities in the immediate past with no mention of time. So, this is the first use of present perfect tense. For example, you have finished the book. The second example is he has written a letter. So, I have given you these two examples of the first use of present perfect tense. Coming to the next use, that is number two, or the second use of present perfect tense, is that it is used to express consistent habit or routine. For example, Muhammad has always answered my letters. Or the second example is he has always disturbed me in studies. This was the second use. Coming towards the third one, the third use of present perfect tense is that it is used to describe past actions which are not definite. For example, the peon has not yet rung the bell. Has the postman arrived? This was the third use. Coming towards the fourth one, it is used to describe the present effects of the past events. For example, oh, I should leave. I have finished my work. The second example is the sun has set. I.e., it is darkness everywhere. Or the third example, I have nothing to eat. Ahmed has eaten all mangoes. And the last use of present perfect tense is that it is used to describe a past action continuing to the present. For example, Ali has not met us for a long time. This is the first example. Then the second is she has stayed with her mother for 1 hour. Or I have taught in the college for 20 years. So these were the important uses of present perfect tense. Now the second part of present perfect tense is its construction. So far as the construction of present perfect tense is concerned, we use first of all subject, and then we use has or have as a helping verb, and then the third form of verb is used, and there is object in the end. So the formula or the construction will go like this: s plus has or have plus third form plus object. Like I have finished my work. So this is all about present perfect tense. So far as negative and interrogative sentences are concerned, we use not, and we use not in negative sentences, and in interrogative has or have will come before the subject. I have not finished my job, I have not finished my work, or have I finished my work, and question mark in the end. So this is all about present perfect tense. So certain adverbs are also used with this tense. For example, recently, lately, just now, yet, often, ever, never, so far, till now, since, etc. are usually the words which are used in present perfect tense. So now coming towards the active voice and passive voice of present perfect tense. So far as the passive voice of present perfect tense is concerned, we use only been over here, and the rest of the changes are made as I have mentioned in my previous lecture. So when I say that he has played cricket, so cricket has been played by him. So this is the passive voice of present perfect tense. I hope that you might have got some idea about my lecture now, and I expect that you will very soon subscribe, like and share my lecture. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.